I want you to start sitting down comfortably. Now, I've sat on a block because I don't want to over posture. I want to feel relaxed. I want to feel light. And I just want you to close your eyes. Close your mouth as well. I want you to start by breathing in through the nose on a 4 count. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for a 2 count. And breathe out on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do that again exclusively in and out of our nose. I'd like you to breathe in through the nose for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd like you to hold your breath for a 2 count, and this time breathe out on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in again on a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Feel how your lungs have filled up. And start to breathe out this time on 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By extending the exhale, you're creating a calmness in your body and brain. You're bringing your nervous system down to a more peaceful state. It's very likely now that your brain is going to switch on parts of the body that have switched off due to stress and anxiety. The most common, the most obvious one, being digestion. So we're going to do that again. Remember, when you breathe in, allow your body to accommodate how your lungs fill up. So you feel like you straighten up. And when you breathe out, I want you to embrace how you feel slightly slumped. So we're going to do 4, 4, 4, 5, and 4, 6. So breathe in through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Breathe out for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Breathe out for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Breathe out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then just relax your shoulders. Roll your shoulders around. Maybe move your neck side to side. Just try to feel light. Try to feel like that breathing exercise, which was primarily breathing from here, has relaxed your neck muscles, your upper pectoral muscles, that get involved when breathing, when we're anxious and when we're stressed. And then I just want you to come onto your hands and knees. We're going to continue breathing, but we're going to breathe with movement as well. So I'd like you to breathe in through the nose again. As you do so, lift your chest, lift your chest, lift your chest. Hold your breath. As you breathe out, just push your hands into the ground and really round. We're going to do that again on a 4 count. So breathe in as you lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath and breathe out for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Breathe out for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Breathe out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just have a little fidget side to side. And again, just sit down, feel calmness in your body, calmness in your shoulders. I really want you to feel like you've let go of any tension around, again, upper pectorals, shoulders, neck muscles, scalenes. All these muscles are secondary respiratory muscles, meaning that they help us bring in more oxygen, but only when we're stressed. And when we want to tell the brain we're not stressed, we want everything to relax so we can continue breathing from here, our diaphragm. We're going to finish off with the physiological sigh, where I want you to breathe in through the nose as much as you can, and then take another short, sharp inhale, and then take an exhale out of the mouth this time to release any excess carbon dioxide. So breathe in through the nose, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another sharp inhale, and breathe out. Do that again. One more, breathe in. Breathe in again, and breathe out. The reason we breathe out of the mouth again is to release excess carbon dioxide, and now we want to come back to nasal breathing. I'd like you to do that round again by yourself. So rewind this video and start again. Start with basic awareness of breathing in any seated position. Focus on breathing in for 4, breathing out for 4, breathing in for 4, breathe out for 5, breathing in for 4, breathe out for 6, and then carry that on to your cat-cow movement to integrate breath and movement. This is a very basic drill. Anecdotally, it's amazing, and I've added the science, the physiological side into it as well. And it is one of the single best exercises that you can do in order to bring your heart rate down and bring your breathing back down to normal, to de-stress the brain and the nervous system. I really do hope it helps. Please comment below and reach out if you think I can help you in any way whatsoever.